Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of goat farming. In today's video, we'll take you on a captivating journey through the ins and outs of goat farming. From understanding the basics to discovering the joys and challenges, we've got it all covered. So grab your favorite snack and let's dive right in. Hey there, goat enthusiasts. I'm Host's Name, your guide to the wonderful world of goat farming. Today, we'll be exploring the various aspects of this rewarding and sustainable practice. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced farmer, there's something for everyone in this video. To truly appreciate goat farming, we must first understand its inherent beauty. Picture rolling green hills, serene countryside, and a group of lively goats frolicking in the sun. There's a certain tranquility that comes with being surrounded by these amazing creatures. But there's more to it than meets the eye. Goats farming is not just about picturesque landscapes, it's a sustainable and eco-friendly way to produce dairy products, meat, and even fiber. Goats have a smaller ecological footprint compared to larger livestock, making them a great choice for farmers who prioritize environmental conservation. Now that we've established the beauty of goat farming, let's dive into the basics. Starting a goat farm requires careful planning and preparation. Here are a few key steps to get you started. Selecting the right breed. There are various goat breeds to choose from, each with its unique characteristics and purposes. Consider factors such as climate, intended products, and personal preferences. Creating a suitable habitat. Goats need a secure and comfortable environment to thrive. Designing a well-ventilated shelter and providing adequate space for grazing and exercise is essential. Understanding nutrition. Goats have specific dietary requirements. We'll explore the different types of feed, including natural grazing, hay, and supplements, to ensure your goats are healthy and well-nourished. Once you've set up your goat farm, it's crucial to provide proper care for your goats. Let's discuss some essential aspects of goat care. Health and hygiene. Regular veterinary checkups, vaccinations, and proper sanitation practices are vital to maintaining the well-being of your goats. Breeding and reproduction. Understanding the breeding cycle and ensuring responsible breeding practices are essential for maintaining a healthy and sustainable goat population. Milk and fiber production. If you're interested in dairy or fiber products, we'll guide you through the milking process, proper storage, and the steps involved in turning raw goat milk or fiber into marketable products. Like any farming endeavor, goat farming comes with its own set of challenges and rewards. Let's explore them. Challenges. From predator management and diseases to market fluctuations, we'll discuss some common challenges that goat farmers may encounter and provide tips on how to overcome them. Rewards. Goat farming can be incredibly rewarding. Not only do you have the satisfaction of providing high-quality products, but you also get to connect with nature and contribute to a sustainable future. And that concludes our journey through the world of goat farming. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you're considering starting your own goat farm, remember to do thorough research and seek guidance from experienced farmers. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and share it with fellow goat enthusiasts. Until next time, happy goat farming.